Welcome to the channel dedicated to forestry machinery enthusiasts. If you love the exceptional power and incredible precision of these machines, then you've come to the right place. Subscribe now and prepare for a front row seat to watch the impressive performances. It's all going to be epic. This is what I call the Ripper X09 log saw, with its 900mm tungsten blade, a tool that perfectly combines the robustness of the past and modern sophistication. Every time I use it, I feel like I'm taken back to old memories, but with outstanding improvements, making every job easier than ever. With the ability to cut through 370mm of hardwood, as if cutting through butter, everything comes out light and smooth. Just install it on your excavator and you're ready for any task, even the most difficult. Salado P900 machine is a powerful machine in forestry management, effectively processing wood into wood chips. With its high capacity, it not only supports the processing of large logs, but also contributes to sustainable forestry practices, providing raw materials for energy, biomass, mulch, and particle board. Imagine you hear a creaking sound nearby. The only way is to run away and hope the tree doesn't fall on you. In this cold weather, our work of moving becomes much more difficult. But these logs are no ordinary spruce logs, folks. These are carefully selected pieces of wood with outstanding quality. Each log has a diameter of more than 60 centimeters, is harvested from mountainous areas over 1,000 meters high, and must be completely straight, without knots or any blemishes. After harvesting, they are transported to the factory, meticulously cut and then dried for many months. This process helps the wood achieve its perfect tone, bringing a clear, deep, and mesmerizing sound to the instruments they will create. This is a stressful work situation when handling trees. Even though you predicted that a problem could occur, you did not anticipate the length of the branch and the complexity of handling it. However, you learned valuable lessons and improved work procedures, such as using taglines and asking for ground crew support to work more safely and efficiently in the future. Moorbark 30 RXL, a high-power monster, is hard at work on a sunny autumn day in Mombek. The dry, chipped fir branches were crushed one after another under its enormous force. All 1,050 horsepower from the Cat's V12 C27 engine is mobilized, creating an impressive spectacle where machinery and nature blend in the powerful rhythm of work. Are you familiar with this sound? Sometimes trees are stubborn and don't fall the way you want them to. Therefore, we need to prepare for the worst cases to ensure safety. The WD-200/240/M twin-axis multi-blade circular saw is a powerful and precise device designed to cut wood and other materials with high efficiency. With a double shaft structure, the machine can attach multiple saw blades at the same time, helping to increase cutting speed and improve work efficiency. Saw blades can be easily adjusted to suit each type of material, providing precise and smooth cutting results. An important piece of advice for those who do this job is to always ensure safety, because the tree does not always fall in the right direction as we want. Our machine is capable of producing round logs with diameters from 160 to 340 millimeters, ensuring high precision and quality. The process of rounding logs at St. Petersburg is made with advanced technology, providing efficiency and reliability in all working conditions. Admire the breathtaking scene of the powerful CBI 6800 BT swallowing a giant palm tree in South Florida. With outstanding capacity and impressive crushing performance, this machine turns huge tree trunks into sawdust in the blink of an eye, creating a performance full of power and authority. This wood peeler seems like a relic from the past, with its simple and classic design. However, don't let its looks fool you. The results are truly impressive. Watch the video and admire how this little marvel works. You'll immediately see why it's important to watch carefully, as every operation is quick and precise. 1 minute of inattention can cause you to miss important details. That is why this machine deserves attention and appreciation. This original mill has signs of tooth wear, but still operates quite stably. I thought it would be interesting to show people how it operates when the teeth are no longer new, to better understand the machine's performance when the teeth have worn down over time. perfect combination of helicopter and saw helped completely control the direction of the tree's fall, ensuring it did not fall and cause any impact. Do you know what wood can be used for? Please share your opinion in the comments section below. Excavator-mounted tree shears are a great tool, allowing precise and effective cutting of trees and branches up to 45 centimeters in diameter. Mounting to the excavator provides maximum flexibility, making it easy to reach difficult locations, such as racks or behind railings. This is the ideal solution for planting hedges, pruning large tree branches, or cutting the tops of poplar trees quickly and accurately. With the ability to till the soil deeply and evenly, the machine helps improve soil structure, creating the best conditions for plants to grow. It is especially useful in treating arid soil or wasteland, helping the soil to be loose, breathable, and easily absorb water, promoting flowering and plant growth. Enjoy the wonderful sound of wood. That's what we want to convey to you. I can be sure that that bridge is not strong enough to withstand a truck, but I wonder, why did they decide to take the risk and try to overcome it? Forest exploitation in Sierra de Durango, Mexico, provides important resources but also faces many environmental protection challenges. If not managed properly, this activity can cause biodiversity loss and affect local communities. Wow, this scene is so beautiful.
Keep on! There it comes! You got it! Pull it out!
An old Kentucky farmer's tip was to put a wheel under the chain to pull the tree stump more easily instead of just using a straight chain connected to the cart hook. Do you have any ideas about wood cutting machines? Please leave your ideas in the comments section so we can explore and create unique, more efficient designs for logging work with you. economic solution for transporting large and long turbines. When lower total weight thanks to material savings, reduced fuel consumption and compared to current propeller transport solutions, this is the scene of transporting wind turbines, a challenging and equally breathtaking task. With their huge size and incredible length, moving these turbines requires careful coordination between the operating team and professional drivers. I used to haul much smaller, oversized loads like continuous miners, shield tractors, dozers, and many other heavy equipment to our local coal mines in Utah, but never anything super big like this. This car is beautiful. If I were driving and saw this, I would stop, jump out, and watch it pass until I could see nothing more. A huge machine with the latest gadgets and technical equipment that we keep updated and can serve our customers even better. A very proud working horse. Am I not mistaken? How can they learn to move at such heights? Extremely heavy transport vehicles of the future will not take place on the roads as before, because today this is no longer possible over long distances with payloads above 80 tons. It's nice to hear the Detroit two-stroke engine in the Oshkosh is superior to the later four-stroke engines. Do you hear the tires on the front of the truck slowly slipping under the torque? Rubber streaks on the road after a vehicle passes over it show how much force is being transmitted to the road surface. How wonderful! Normally, transformers are only transported when partially filled with transformer oil, so the weight is not as high as when in operating state. The bridge frame can withstand up to 500 tons of force. Combined with a hydraulic suspension trailer with a width of up to 3.6 meters, creating a sturdy and strong structure. With its huge size and outstanding load-bearing capacity, this vehicle can easily transport heavy materials or equipment, ensuring safety and efficiency even in the most difficult traveling conditions. I don't think this plane is enough for the height of the bridge. I take my hat off to this job. It's really difficult. Working day and night with moving heavy loads is a big challenge. You know, does this heavy truck use any type of engine? This driver's driving skills are great. This logging truck is leaving the mining site, but it looks like it's having a bit of trouble climbing the slope. Each wheel turns slowly, struggling to grip the rough and challenging road surface. Everyone is hunting for photos of this plane. You are lucky to witness it. A giant green monster, moving with a weight of up to 56 tons, is truly impressive. Despite its enormous weight, it is incredibly agile and intelligent, gliding over any terrain with surprising precision. A quick shot to see all the process of destroying a bridge. Surely these are tiring working days for both people and machines, operating at full capacity to do things as quickly as possible. The car is preparing to depart, carrying reliability and quality to deliver goods to customers. It's huge. Moving long cars through this curve is really a big challenge. This requires the driver to have skilled driving skills and excellent controllability to safely overcome all obstacles. Let's welcome a 200-ton Osum transformer passing through Hexham Station. You will be amazed at the huge size of this car. Guess how long it is? The Compton Gherardi oak has been a part of League City's history for more than 100 years. The tree is 56 feet tall, has a canopy spread of more than 100 feet, and a circumference of 135 inches. It also weighs 518,000 pounds. A county road expansion project has put the future of the Gherardi oak tree in jeopardy. The board voted to use park funds to hire Hess Landscaping Construction to remove the majestic oak tree. One project took less than a month to complete. huge. An LCL 700 tower crane is appearing before our eyes. I have a question for you. Can you guess what they were carrying that hay for? It's huge. An LCL 700 tower crane is appearing before our eyes. Quite impressive at the crane's precision during the lifting process. This is a lattice gantry crane model with its flexibility and strength. Wow, that's huge. CC6800 is a type of heavy machinery, outstanding with its large size and capacity. It is often used in jobs that require moving giant objects or heavy equipment in industries such as construction and mining. It all looks so vibrant and attractive. I really want to participate in this truck race right away. The process of moving a tree includes digging up the tree, protecting the roots and trunk, and then transporting it to a new location. Finally, the tree is replanted and cared for to adapt to the new environment. Do you see any disadvantages to this approach? I am impressed with this wheel. It can go on snow without slipping. Wishing everyone the best with an enjoyable tour and a smooth-running tractor. That is LKT's mission. A challenging job, not an easy path, like pine fibers wrapping around each step.